we are here, I am, okay, here with Fantastic Attractions here at Wet n Wild in Greensboro, North Carolina. We want to thank Wet n Wild for having us out today. And we've got a cabana. So we're going to share, I'm going to do a little bit of a video about sharing just the cabanas and what's offered in the cabanas, where the locations are, because I've got a full walk around video already for the park, and I'll be sure to put that above. But I'm just going to cover, like, if you're looking to rent a cabana here at Wet n Wild, which cabanas, where they're located, which ones are our favorite. Kathy and Todd have not been here in a while, though.
It's been a while. It's been a hot minute.
So anyway, so be sure to check out Fantastic Attractions as well. They'll be covering some stuff from their visit here today. And yeah, let's just go check out these cabanas. And I think we've got our server, our waitress over here waiting to check in, because we can get food while we're here. Now, the Harbor View cabanas are personally mine and Tyler's favorite spot. We just prefer this area. It is in Happy Harbor in the kids area here. But even though we don't have kids, we just love this section. It's still pretty quiet. We usually ask to be up towards the back, which we're number 8 up there this time. I just do want to add that I think they've added these loungers this year, these covered loungers. So these are actually to be reserved as well. And of course, probably a little bit lower price than what the cabanas would be. But we're gonna go check out some of the other cabanas. There's your Ocean View cabanas. There are some Bayside cabanas that are on the left side of the wave pool, but we have Bayside cabanas on this side of the wave pool too. Now, the brand new ones that are brand new this year are, looks like 13, 14, 15, and 16. So these are really, really nice upgraded cabanas. I mean, you'll see compared to ours, you do have the refrigerator with your water already stocked, cabinet for your belongings. You have some loungers outside here in the sun, but then you have your table, which is a bigger table than what we have in our cabana. You have more chairs and a couch and the ceiling fan. There's about 4 of them on this side. They're brand new this year. But the rest of the Bayside cabanas are over there, and that's 17 to 20 right there on the side. And then there's some more right down that side right there. I did just want to walk over here really quick and show you the Ocean View cabanas. These are, like I said, to the left of the wave pool, so basically on the other side here. And let's see, looks like that first one's empty, so let's walk up here and show it in more detail. They've upgraded these as well. So this has the refrigerator and the bigger dining table, the chairs and the loungers, and the cushion love seat as well. So, okay. So I guess these have been upgraded to be like the other side, the new ones over at the Bayside cabanas. For the cabana, once you come in the front gate and with your ticket, then you'll come right here to Castaway Rentals. That's where you pick up your wristband for your cabana, or if you've got strollers or wheelchairs. And the shaded loungers even count here too, that you'd have to pick up your wristband for the shaded loungers. So that is where you would check in for your cabana. We got back over here to our cabana here at Happy Harbor, and we went ahead and ordered. Our server came by. Kathy and I got the classic cheeseburger, and Todd got the chilled chicken club wrap with chips. So you can order, they come by, take your order, they will bring your food to you. Flip it over to the back, and we have our drink menu back here with the beer and seltzers. Let me make a note, I actually have the drink cup for the season, and so they can't refill these and take your cup with them, but they will bring you a drink to put in them. Our food did arrive. Here is Todd's wrap that he got with his chips, and it looks like some honey mustard with it. And Kathy and I got this cheeseburger. They come wrapped like that, and I've already unwrapped mine so you can see it. And so the nice thing about the cabana, we're just sitting here enjoying our lunch.
Very nice.
Not having to go pick it up, not having to go order, and just, yep, that's right. So we're digging in. So we've done a few things, gotten in the pool, gotten in the wave pool, the lazy river, and up here relaxing at our cabana. And just wanted to share really quick how nice it is up here. Again, I really like these harbor view cabanas. Even though it is in the kids section, it's still pretty quiet up here. Not really that many people walking by or anything like that. So definitely a relaxing day. Now I know my little video here was mainly about the cabana, but we did go pick up these street tacos. Since I shared our lunch earlier, we got a little hungry from being in the pool. And this was hopefully what will be a great little snack for the three of us. They had these street tacos. You could get them in chicken, beef, or fish. So we're gonna dig into these. We have had an awesome day here at Wet n Wild.
Very awesome.
Thankfully, the weather held out. We were really thinking that we were only gonna make it till like 3 o'clock before it rained, but it's after 5 and we've made it. It's been a great day, low crowd, not too hot.
Yeah.
So perfect. Todd, what was your favorite part?
I think going around the lazy river, definitely. Yeah.
That was
Dawn
mine
introduced us to some new chairs that they have in the lazy river.
Yeah.
So that was like totally refreshing. It was kind of chilly when we first got in, but I mean, it was perfect. Yeah, the lazy river by far.
Yeah, mine too. I usually come up here for a couple hours and just get in the lazy river.
Yeah.
But again, we want to thank Wet n Wild for having us out.
Definitely.
And for the cabana.
Yep.
Y'all, the cabana is the way to go. Whether you get the ocean view, the bayside, or the harbor view, they're all worth it. I mean, you just have a place for your stuff.
Yeah.
But up here it's very quiet.
Yeah, it's a little bit more quiet around the kids section,
Yeah.
believe it or not. Yeah.
It really is. It's nice up here. You have a place to eat. They can bring your food to you. So we really suggest, you know, hey, just get in the cabana if you're coming. And this holds up to 6 people, I think I said.
Yeah.
And the others, the larger ones,
I think it was up till 10 people.
Right?
So
So
you get a little refrigerator on those, which is a little cooler for your water.
hope this helps you pick out your cabana, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.